1988 K75s, approximately 85,000 miles. 5 days ago, went to start it, and it just seemed like it was hard to start for the first time ever. A little bit, sounded a little floody, stuttered for the first 30-45 seconds of running, then it cleared up, ran fine, parked it, and came to start it about 4 days later, and started up, sputtered, and died, and would not restart. So we have checked fuel pump. We have pulled all the plugs, cleaned the plugs, made sure 1, 2, and 3 are going to 1, 2, and 3. Pulled, reseated, pulled the fuel hose off, turned the key. Fuel is pouring through here. Have not pulled the rails because I'm just not familiar with the fuel injectors just yet. Have already pulled the tank, checked underneath, reseated the fuel tank connector under here. So essentially what we have is turn it on to the high idle, key on, ignition switch on, check for fuel pump. Fuel pump running, and when we go to crank, same thing. Give it a minute to cool. And that's about all we have. I've already cleaned the spark plugs several times. Was going to plan to replace the plugs and just keep making sure the battery's fully charged. So at this point, still not sure.